Welcome to Pedal Electric. In this tutorial video, we'll be showing you how to unbox and assemble the HT. Let's start with the unboxing. You'll receive your box sealed, secure, and ready for the build. Check the QR code on the side to access the build manual from your phone. Start by cutting both of the sides of the box with a razor blade, but carefully so you don't damage any internal components. And here's how the HT is shipped to your door. Attention, do not use power tools during this installation. Use hand tools and ensure your bike is safe for the ride. When opening the box, you'll see our welcome letter with the QR code for the online build manual. As mentioned, follow the directions carefully to assemble the bike properly. Everything you need is included inside: battery charger, wrenches, Allen keys, and pedals for installation. Continue unboxing by removing the foam and cutting the zip ties. For this step, be very careful when cutting so you don't damage any component. It is recommended to remove the battery before starting the assembly process, as this will lighten the bike and make handling easier. This is also a great opportunity to charge the battery before your first ride. Make sure the battery is fully charged and functioning properly before hitting the road. To remove the battery, simply use the keys provided to unlock and remove the battery. Now, to charge your battery. For your safety, make sure the battery is turned off before connecting to power. You will find the charging port right on the side of the power switch. Now that the battery is off, connect the cable to the battery, then plug in the charger. When powered, a green light will turn red. If the light is red, it means the battery is charging. When the light turns green again, your battery is fully charged. You can check the charge level by pressing the button on the side of the battery. Set the front wheel aside, and then remove the bike out of the box so you can have more space to work around it. Use one of the foams from the box to help you to balance your bike in case you're assembling it by yourself. Remove all the protective foam from the bike to proceed with the assembly. Time to install your handlebars. Remove the bolts with the Allen key, then align and install the handlebar on the stem. This is an important safety step, so follow the directions closely. Tighten the bolts in a cross pattern, as shown in the video, to keep the handlebar straight. Tighten slowly, rotating between bolts for the best result. To install the front wheel, start by removing the protective bar between the forks. Do not use power tools. Remove the safety brake caliper. Lift the bike and align the wheel with the forks to place it in position. Be sure to align the wheel correctly with the disc brake. Once in place, tighten it using the washer and nut included with the wheel. Start by tightening the nut with your hands. For best results, use a 15mm socket wrench to secure both sides. Now your bike is stable and can rest on the kickstand. Let's install the pedals on the bike. You will receive the pedals on your box labeled for the right and left side. Check the label before installing. To install the right pedal, you can start by hand tightening clockwise and then using the wrench that comes in your toolkit to tighten up and ensure it's safe. The same thing for the left pedal, but this one we tighten counterclockwise. Make sure to hand tight first to ensure you are screwing it on the thread, and then use a wrench to tighten up. Safety first. Let's check everything before your first ride. Align the handlebars not too low and not too far forward. Align it with the front forks for the best and safest position. Once safety aligned, tighten the bolts in a cross pattern to secure the handlebar. Align the steering by loosening the 2 bolts on the stem. After alignment, tighten them firmly. Adjust the control positions by loosening and tightening the Allen bolts on the handlebar. Reinstall the battery on the bike and lock it using the included key. Keeping your bike locked is very important for safety and proper function. Make sure to inflate your tires with the correct tire pressure for safety and best performance. We recommend 30 psi for optimal year-round use. Remember to check the pressure periodically for safety. If you have any questions or concerns, contact us at cs@pedalelectric.com for customer support.